to my channel. My name is Charmaine and we're going to do our eyeshadow again today. So what I want to do is, if you watch my Colourpop haul, I just got a few palettes from their Colourpop, and it's like a Zodiac collection. So they have all the Zodiac signs, and today I want to use, I'm trying to get them all in the shot together. Okay, so I want to use these three. So we have Tender Loving Cancer, we have Pisces in the Sky, and we have The Secret Life of Scorpio. I want to be able to combine all three of these palettes and create a look. What I'm thinking is I want to be able to like use these blues from here. I kind of want to be able to use like this purple shimmer because it looks like it has like purple blue reflex. They call this blue, it's like a greenish blue, teal. I want to use like this deeper color also, and then I want to be able to use, I don't know, this color here. We'll see, but I basically want to try and incorporate all these colors in my look today to see what I can come up with. So Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer. All right, so I'm looking at it, trying to figure out how I can do this because I definitely need my inner corner. So I might be able to get away with putting this one on my inner corner. I could use this for like my brow bone. And then I can put this color on my lid, which I would want it to go into this color because I do want to use that blue. We'll see if we can make that work. And then I want to add in this color and then that deeper shade from the last palette. But we need to go ahead and put a color in our crease. So for our crease, we have these colors here. So in the Tender Loving Cancer palette, we have this color here, which is hard to crack. And then we also have The Secret Life of Scorpio, Secret Secrets, which is this one. They look kind of the same, but this one looks a little bit more pink. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in my crease. Wait, should I try to do, I'm trying to think if I want to do with tape. I'm not gonna do with tape. I did the last video with tape, and I know I'm probably gonna have to cut my crease, so just to switch it up, I won't use tape, but I do like to use the tape to help get it like precise. Okay, and I'm gonna take this a little bit further up. I've been trying to use more of like my lid space and then the upper part of my lid so that I'm just not sticking to the crease area and below. Trying to blend it out further up. I just don't like when my eyeshadow touches like my eyebrow. I don't want it that high. I like to have like a little bit of space in between there, like a sidewalk space. I need that space. So I'm just building up this color in my crease so that it's definitely more noticeable. And I am taking it out to here. Now we have, since I know I'm going to be putting this color, I'm wondering if I should take this color now so that it kind of goes, let me get, now that I have all these like fresh clean brushes, I can just like start pulling out any brush. I'm going to use this one. See how pigmented? I only dipped that once into the pan. Now I am going to use this at the very end also when I blend in the colors, but I do want it in my crease too, so when I cut my crease, the color's already there. And I like to do, when I cut my crease, so you know, there's a half cut crease and like there's a full cut crease where you do like your entire eye. So I would take the cut crease all the way back here. But I actually prefer to do like the half cut crease where I take it like halfway, or I'll just take it back to like right here. But in the corner, I don't like to cut the crease that far because I do want the other colors that I'm going to be using, like I need those to blend into here, like my transition colors and the colors that I'm putting on my lid first. And I'm just using this brush that I first was using in my crease to put on Hard to Crack. Which color? Yeah, I was putting on this color, Hard to Crack. I'm just using this. I haven't put anything on this brush. I'm just using that to blend out these two colors so it doesn't look like a mess or like super harsh. Okay, there we go. Now, in order to move along to the rest, I need to cut my crease, and I'll be back. Now that my crease is cut, we're gonna go ahead, and what I wanted to use was this color here, which is So Devoted, and then I wanted to take that into Healing Water, which is this color here. We are gonna see how this turns out. So actually, I'm going to first put on Healing Water. Okay, it comes out pretty pigmented on the brush, so let's see if it gives the same energy placing it on our eye, or my eye. Okay, it actually goes on pretty pigmented, really good. I want to still spray the brush and see if that makes it pop anymore. Okay, I feel like it kind of does. And I just use my Mario Badescu that I usually keep right here. Yeah, that definitely does a little something something. Okay, and I was using one, like this side right here, to put that on, so I'm going to take the other side that I did not use, and I'm going to go into So Devoted and tap that on the inner part of my lid. And I'm going to kind of bring that into Healing Waters. So this side of the brush is not wet or damp, so I'm just testing it out first without wetting or getting the brush damp like I always do. Unless I've worked with the palette before and I know for sure. But I usually like to test. Okay, so you want to kind of pat it on cooling water so that way it helps them kind of blend in and transition together. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to spray this side of the brush. And I'm just going to pat it there. And now the brush is a little damp. Okay. I didn't add anything else to the brush. I'm just patting it on, and I'll go back into Healing Waters. I just tapped it into Healing Waters so that way I can make sure this glue doesn't get dull or fade. Alright, so now we're done with those colors. I want to take this color here, which is Mystery from The Secret Life of Scorpio. And we want to do the outer edge now. So I'm going to pat this here, and I'm going to start bringing this forward into Healing Waters, which is from the Pisces in the Sky palette. And lastly, I'm going to take a different brush, but I want to go back into Tender Loving Cancer. So in this palette, we already used So Devoted, which is a shimmer shade here, but now I want to deepen up my outer eye with this Take Care color here. And I'm going to go use this brush that I was using earlier. I think I was using this earlier in my crease. And I'm just going to tap that and basically just kind of want to use this on the outer V area. So I'm being like very light with it and gentle because I don't want to take away the other color I just used here. So you see the difference? And that's basically it for the eyes. Now I just need to go do the rest of my face. Don't mind this wig because I'm ready to take it off already, but I think I'm gonna keep just wearing it throughout the rest of this week since I just put it on Sunday. Today is Wednesday, so I think I'm taking it off on Friday, or I might take it off tomorrow, just depending on how I'm feeling because it is hot. But we'll be right back and you can see the completed look. This is the completed look. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I use. So for my lower lash line, I did use the colors that I had used to transition here, which was from the Secret Life of Scorpio palette. We used Mystery. So I put that all along my lower lash line, and then to deepen up the corner, I used from Tender Loving Cancer palette, Hard to Crack, so just in this outer edge. For my waterline, I used this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in 22 Turquoise. Doesn't say turquoise, it says turquoise. But I use this color here to kind of bring in the teal blue here that I have on my lid. For my lips, I use my Jordana Quick Liner Ruby Stone Lip Liner. And then over top, I use this LA Girl Lip Mousse Velvet Lip Color, and this is the color BFF. Alright, so this is a completed look. Let me know what you think. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Leave a comment down below and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.